Mr. Snail. Oh, you cute little corner aspersum. Latin name, bonus points.
Can't believe we got stuck with a tree hugger. If I have to hear the Latin name for one more animal, I swear I'm gonna kill her.
Relax, sugar buns. While she does all the work, we'll have all the fun.
Yeah, and get wasted out of our minds.
Way ahead of you, man.
Come on, team. We mustn't dilly-dally when there's so much nature to see. I was thinking we should call our class project Fun Guys in a Forest. Get it? Because we're a group of fun guys and also fun guys, which... Shush! That's a yellow wagtail, and she's in distress. There, my little Motacilla Flava. Oh, look at her go. Wow.
Out of the way, dorkwad. We're camping here. Finally, time to get that barbecue burning.
Oh dear.
Gross.
Oh, easy guys. We're supposed to be studying nature, not wrecking it.